What are you reading?
You look overcome.
Come to supper.
For what we are about to receive, may the Lord make us truly thankful.
Amen.
Amen.
It's called general relativity. It's a theory of gravity and everything. He's done it. Let me just show you.
What are you doing? Have you gone mad?
Dice on the other end. Pick it up. Pick up the tablecloth. Space. The tablecloth is space. The sun. What's happening?
What?
What's happening with the sun and space?
Well, the bread is sinking into the tablecloth.
The sun makes a shape around it in space.
Yes. Now, what happens if I do this? It wants to travel in a straight line, but it can't. Why not?
Because the bread's making a shape.
The apple follows the curves made in space.
Yes. Yes, space is shaped. And that is how gravity works. Space tells objects how to move. Objects tell space what shape to be. And there's a way to prove it. When starlight comes near to the sun, what will happen to it?
It'll bend.
Yes. That's what he says. That's what Einstein says. Starlight will bend. Every theory needs proof. I'm the man to prove it.
The English observer and the German theorist.
Hand in glove.
We're at war, Eddington. Germany is our enemy.
I love my country very deeply, but my country is my country, and this is so much more. Will you help me?
You can't point your telescope straight at the sun.
I know, too bright, but May 29th, 1919.
What?
Total solar eclipse. A chance to look at the sun.
Where?
Africa. The island of Principe. It's the best place to view the eclipse.
So all we need is a profoundly large amount of money.
So who do we ask? As we look at the eclipsed sun through the giant telescope, it will be directly in the middle of the Hyades star cluster.
We'll take photographs of these stars during the 5 minutes of eclipse and then compare them to photographs taken of the same stars at night.
One photographic plate on top of another. Are the stars in the same place or different? If they are different, then we will know that starlight is bent by the sun.
This is an English expedition.
Yes.
To prove a German scientist right.
Or wrong.
If Einstein is right, then an English expedition will have proved it. If he isn't, then an English expedition will have proved a German scientist wrong and Sir Isaac Newton right.
I don't believe you.
I'm sorry?
I don't believe your mind is open.
I was made for this. I'm the best measuring man in England. This is my moment. This is what my whole life in science has been for. I would never, never allow bias or prejudice in. I swear to you on all that I hold dear, my mind is open. What about yours?
Mine?
Is your mind open?
Of course.
Then may we have our money.